undeniably striking our eyes this afternoon. Not only the lovely dresses and classy suits will remain unforgotten, but the genuine smile on the face of everyone. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This afternoon and onwards is a spectacular day for sure.
Exactly, Miss Cindy. The girls look elegant with their attire, and the gentlemen, they are so chivalry.
Good evening, PODMSI. Just one look at each and every one of us in our radiant evening gowns and suits is enough for me to know that this night is going to be a night of brilliance and beaming smiles. But before we start this lucid occasion, I would first like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our similarly dazzling school president and vice president, Sir Marion and Ma'am Evangeline Estanislao. To our dedicated school director, Ma'am Jocelyn M. Season, and to our ever so compassionate principal, Miss Julie Ann Rose Chuateco, who is, I can see, just as ready to set the night ablaze. Let us also give cheers to our enthusiastic academic staffs, moms and sirs, our active PTA president, Colonel Florencio Beltran Jr., our inspiring PTA Vice President, Ma'am Maribel Apostol Basco, our ever-supportive faculty and staff na hindi rin magpapatalo in their evening dresses, and most especially to our grade 6 advisors, Mr. Gerson Castillo and Mr. Dexter Christian Valix, who are absolutely dashing in their droppers and suits. To our all-time fans, our dearest parents, friends, and fellow stars of this evening, my batchmates, a brilliant evening to all of you. With a unique brilliance that has illuminated our journey through these halls of learning. We still have a long way to go, but as your batch president, I am immensely proud of what we have achieved together this far. Here's to us, the stars of this unforgettable night. Thank you, and let's go shining.
It is our pleasure to call on the respective advisors, starting with the 6th grade Diamond Advisor, Sir Dexter Christian L. Valix. A round of applause, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon po. Especially sa mga nagagandahan at nagpopogi ang mga 6th graders. Today, I am here to give my uniquely beautiful diamonds my heartfelt message of gratitude and inspiration. First, let me just give you a cliche about diamonds. Diamonds are precious. They are rare, unique, and unbreakable. Just like you, children. You are all equally precious, unique, and unbreakable as this precious stone. I am really grateful to be part of your amazing journey. You have been and will always be a part of my life as you go on with your life. Remember this acronym, children. DHEX. How do you read it? Yes, exactly. That's my nickname. Dex, which means D. Do your best in everything. As a friend to your pals, be a nice friend. And whether as a son or a daughter to your parents. You and praying for you to achieve your goals in life. Know that we are already proud of what you have achieved so far.
School Administrator, Ma'am Jocelyn M. Season, our school principal, Ma'am Julian Rose Chuateco, my colleagues, children, dear parents, a pleasant afternoon, or actually it's already evening to everyone. Alright, children, listen. After almost a week of preparation, 6 days only to be exact, finally, we made it. Enjoying and savoring the result of the rigid practices that we went through. Idagdag pa ang init ng panahon na talaga namang nakisabay pa. Some got sick. Yung iba, tinamad. Pero di sumuko. Yun naman ang importante, di ba? Pwedeng tamarin, pero dapat magpapatuloy pa rin. I believe that in life, there is no instant success unless manalo ka sa loto sa unang pagtaya. Kidding aside, again, there is no instant success in life. You really must have to work for it. Achieve your elementary diplomas. And I strongly believe marami pa kayong achievement at success na darating sa inyong buhay. I don't want to sound like a preacher or a minister right now, but I would like to take this opportunity to speak up to you, 6th graders, on the main thing or key or the easiest way to be successful in life. Not only that, but to have a long life in this world. As what the Bible says, honor your father and your mother. This is the first commandment with a promise, so that it may be well with you and that you have a long life on earth. To all of you, at last, makakapagpagtapos na po kayo ng anak sa elementarya. Congratulations po. Dito sa puso ko. Thank you for everything. Thank you for making this school year worth remembering and cherishing. Part of this grand event, papunta pa lamang po tayo sa exciting part. God bless us all.
Boys, you may now give the roses to your parent or to your guardian.
I think I finally know you. I can see beyond your smile.
You are very welcome to come on the floor to have your dance.